It's about time to wrap up our course here, so I'd like to leave you with some thoughts about where to go next if you need help or if you just want to do some further exploration on your own to get started. So, the first place I would go, and everybody should be signed up for, is the FileMaker community, just at community.filemaker.com. And if you're needing assistance with something, um, here's a good place to start. So come into here, sign up for an account, make sure you're signed in, go to discussions, English, and then you can really ask your question here. Um, FileMaker server error 1007 or 10,007. And you'll see it'll do a search for you. So there's a chance that a lot of other people had the same issue as you have. So do some research first, come in here and check and see if you can get some help. And if you can't find anything, you can just hit this Ask My Question button after that. Or if you've already done that and you want to go directly to the section, there's these category sections down here, and deployment is a common one where you see server issues posted. So etiquette for posting a question is, you know, ask a question if you're looking for help. Ask a discussion if you're looking for like a second opinion or what's the best way to do. What do you guys do for this? Um, so choosing that type, make sure that if you're asking a question, you're marking the correct response on there so that that person gets credit for that response, and also it will help people in the future. So just a little bit of netiquette there for posting in the community. But the community is a great place. It's where I start as well for looking for helping people out and for looking for answers myself. Another overlooked resource that's actually full of information is YouTube. So if you just come to YouTube and do a search for FileMaker Server, you'll see things like a DevCon recording about installing and configuring FileMaker Server, webinars, training videos, um, comparison benefit videos, user group recordings. This one is actually live right now, the Atlanta FileMaker Developers Group. So YouTube's a great place to go to find some videos to watch, just if you're interested in learning further. And then the last place I want to point out to make sure that you always have bookmarked is product documentation. I actually skipped ahead here, but it's filemaker.com/support/product/documentation.html. That will bring you to the documentation page. You can drill into the different things here, like release notes for the latest version of FileMaker Server 17, and you can see specifically for version 17.0.2 that was just released. It shows which updates were, or which issues were addressed. Third-party components, here you see that FileMaker 17.0.2 installs Java 8 update 171, and you can get the installation instructions here to walk you through installing those updates. So FileMaker is very thorough at the documentation that they provide, so it's very important to read through that so you know what to expect. And that's really all you need to do to wrap up and continue learning. So we'll wrap up the course in the next video, but it's been a great time working on this and helping you guys out.